Hey guys, so I'm gonna tell you something. I picked up something pretty good deal, and I think you're gonna love it. I'll love it. There's something wrong with it. Let's check it out first, and hopefully it's easy fix. Alright, let's just check it out. Alright, there you go. There you go, guys. So we pick up a 2009 Land Rover Range Rover supercharged with 4.2 liter. It's not pretty bad. There's a dent here, but there's a lot of things to work on. So this is gonna be one of my project car, maybe a little bit off-roading. Paint is okay. Hood and the roof is a little faded. We can probably paint it in the process. But hey guys, it's running car. The problem with this is the battery light was keep coming on. So that means you're not charging. That's the first thought that I know. But the car run and drive, and the LCD screen is not working. So we're gonna try to figure that out too. Inside's not too bad either. Probably a bit cleaning. So I already took off the negative battery cable, so we won't do any damage on this. But I think it's more than that. I saw something. So I already bought an alternator right here. It's a refurbished one. As you can see, it's a lot of work. Tire's not too bad either. So I'm gonna lift the hood up and see. All right, let's put some light on it. So as you can see, the hood struts, it's not holding it. Let's go put some light under here. All right, so it is a V8 supercharged. There's a few leaks on it. So this car runs and drive. I was gonna buy it. I thought it's fully working. When I get to there after driving like an hour and a half, they said something wrong with it. So I'll bargain it for a little bit. I think I got a pretty good deal. So I was expecting it was just the alternator, which is located this way, this side here. But by inspecting it, I see something here. We'll see if we can show you guys. You can see that's the positive terminal for the alternator. I don't think it's connected. The line is over there, right there, and so I don't think it's connected. It looks like it's cut or burnt. Let's lift the car up and we'll see if we can see a better look underneath. All right, car is up, lifted. My light's not too bright. Let's get some another light. Where's my other light? This one bright. Just a little bit. Oh, there you go. There you go. All right. So you can see the tire's not too bad. Some dust here. We'll check the brakes if it's any good. All right, let's check it out. I think it's pretty clean. A couple leaks over there. You can see. We can address that later. Little bit leaks here. All right, here you go, guys. I don't know if you can see that. Let's go over here. There you go. You can see from here. That's it, guys. As you can see that, that's the positive lead for the alternator, and it is burnt. I took the battery out, so there should be no, as you can see right here, see that? That thing is burnt. So we have to replace this. I think it touched the body for a little bit. Hopefully it doesn't affect any module or anything. Feel burnt here. And if we look at this side, let me see if I can make it look. Not bad. There we go. That's our alternator. See that? Yeah, that is burnt. I actually checked the alternator. It's not producing any 14 volt, but I'm gonna replace it. I have the parts anyway. That, and I need this wire. So you can see this wire is burnt too. See that? So might as well replace the whole wire there. I'm gonna replace the whole wire. The positive wire to alternator to starter. It's connected to the starter, going to the battery, going up to the battery. I need to replace that because it's open. So right now, let's go. I'm gonna remove the alternator and replace that, and also this wire. I did bought a wire, but I don't think it's thick enough. So you can see right here, this is not thick enough. I need a thicker one. So I don't know where we can find it. Hopefully I don't get it from the dealer. But does need to be changed and addressed. The wire going to the alternator, the positive wire going to alternator and going to, that's the starter, then going back to the positive side of the battery. So but right now I'm gonna go ahead and replace the alternator, and I'll make a video for that. But looking at here, I don't think it's too bad. What do you guys think? Underneath, it doesn't have much rust. There's a little bit wet, the struts. Not too bad. Here, backside's pretty dry. Not too bad either. I think I got a pretty good deal with this one. There you go. That's the underneath of it. Okay. Axle. We need an axle. Right here, the boot at least is broken. Right there. Right side, left side. And the right side's not too bad. So we're gonna start a little bit rubbing here. I think the other side too. Just a little bit rub here when you turn. So I think it's not too bad. Airbag works, I know for sure. The airbag works. So, alright guys, so I hope that's it. But I'm gonna start replacing that alternator and positive line cable. Alright, so that's from underneath engine side, and the interior is not too bad. Pretty dark here. Saggy headliner. We're gonna fix that, replace it. I'm gonna make it all black. The whole interior will be all black. That shouldn't be a problem. I've done it with my BMW at one point, and here. Either I can find a replacement for these or I can repair it. But everything else works, I believe. So I think that's it, guys. I'm just showing you that what I've got. This is gonna be my new baby. Go ahead, do some work, and I give you more updates. So I'm gonna have more video of these, what upgrade I'm gonna have. Of course, a little bit more suspension, tires, wheels, and roof rack. I might get custom made one. I actually have a set of wheels over there for the L405. I believe the offset here is a little bit better. This one, this is with brand new tires. I got it for cheap. That's less than $1,000. So that's it, guys. I'm excited for this. I hope you guys too. You can follow all my work for this if you go to my playlist. It's gonna be on the Range Rover, maybe Overlander, I don't know what you call it. A Range Rover playlist. I'm gonna put it there. So everything what I've done to this car is gonna be there. All right, guys. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Till next time.